Okay, so we're going to look at this question here. It says, actually, could you read it out loud for us, please?
Five
No, starting here. Starting
the
here.
value of x satisfies the equation above. Is this from the state test?
This would be a state test type of question. Yeah, this would be like your algebra 1 type of stuff. Okay, so let's work on solving an equation like this. So what I'd like you to start by doing is writing the equation down.
Okay, let me get my notebook out.
Okay.
Is this like algebra 1?
Yes, it's an algebra 1 question.
Okay.
Okay,
All
so
right.
did you write the equation down?
I'm writing it down.
Okay.
Okay, I was gonna be writing that down. Okay, I wrote it down.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply this 5 to both the x and the -3.
Okay.
So that becomes 5x minus 15 equals 10x plus 5.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so we gotta get the x's on one side. So do you want to move the 5x to the right or the 10x to the left?
10x to the left.
Okay, is the 10x positive or negative?
Positive.
So how do you undo that? How do you undo addition?
You should okay. So instead of addition, you have to subtract.
Yes, so you're going to subtract 10x from both sides of the equation.
Okay. Oh, so what type of algebra 1 is this? What type of lesson is this?
Solving equations.
Okay. And also we're gonna do the geometry ones too.
We'll get to some, but let's get through one question, Sourish, okay? We've just started our lesson, so
okay, writing it down. Minus 10x minus 10x.
yeah, so you have to be able to figure out what is 5x minus 10x.
5x minus 10x, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that
this is yeah, this is one of those math facts. You got to be able to take 5 minus 10. What is that?
5 minus 10.
Yes.
5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 is negative 5.
Negative 5x. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now from here, okay, you're going to bring the minus 15 down.
Okay.
And now you have to move the minus 15 to the other side of the equation. You have to move it right. Okay, so how do you undo subtraction?
Adding.
You add 15 to both sides.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So what goes on the right?
Okay. Let me okay. So I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that.
What goes on the right here was 5 plus 15.
Plus 15, plus 15. So for the first one right there, why is it 10? Is it because it's the first, because it needs, why is it 10?
Where do you see a 10?
Like right there for what we did, there's a 10 minus 10. Why do we do that first? Why not 15?
You could do the 15, but the order doesn't matter.
Oh,
But
it
since
doesn't
we already
matter?
worked, since we already did it this way, let's just keep going.
Okay, so it's normal.
Yeah, this is okay. So how about 5
Okay.
plus 15?
Yeah, all right. I'm writing it down. Let me just write this down. I need to write all of this. Plus 15.
Okay,
All right, negative 5x equals 20.
20. Now, how do you undo?
Division.
How do you undo this negative 5 with division? You divide both sides by -5. So x equals, what does x equal?
X equals negative 4.
-4. Good. Okay. All right. So that is the final answer. So let's try another one like this. Okay, I'll make it up here.
All right, because these are going to help me.
Yes.
I hope, because because we can't, I just really want to go to college.
All right. So here's another problem to solve.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go back and look. What was the very first thing we did to solve this problem up here?
All right. So first up,
What
you have to
what did we
multiply from the what?
what did we do first? Yeah, I'm asking you.
Yeah, multiply the number that's in the parentheses.
Okay, so what do you think you should do first here?
We should multiply 4 times 1, 4. Hold on. 4x plus 4. Yeah, let me write that down. I need to write all this down.
Okay.
All right. 4x plus 4 equals 16x plus 8.
Okay, so now you have a choice here. Do you want to move the 4x to the right or the 16x to the 8?
4, that's a negative. That's minus.
But which way do you want to go? Do you want to move the 4x to the right or the 16x to the left?
I just want to keep that like that.
But you've got to move it one way or the other. So you got to choose which one you want to move.
16.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you're going to subtract 16x from both sides.
Subtract 16 from both sides. Okay.
So you have to figure out now, what is 4x minus 16x?
All right, let me just write this down. All right, 4x minus 16x.
Yes.
That is gonna be that's gonna be, I know what it is. It's 12, a negative 12.
Negative 12x plus 4 equals 8.
Yeah. And then for that right there, you should now do the 4. You should subtract by 4.
Subtract 4 on both sides. Good.
8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, right? Yeah, okay.
Yes.
8 minus 4, that is 4. Hello?
Yes. Minus 12x equals 4.
Yeah, are
Okay,
you
so
hearing
now,
me? Are you hearing me? It seems like that you're not there.
so let's keep going. So what is the next step here to undo negative 12 times x?
Division.
Divide both sides by negative 12. So on the right, you have 4 divided by 12, but it's negative. Is there a number that goes into both 4 and 12?
3.
Yes, no, 4 goes into both.
It's 1/3.
Negative 1/3.
1/3.
You ready to try a problem like this on your own?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, it's going to be just like it, not going to make it any more difficult. Okay, go ahead and solve this one on your own, please.
Okay. I'll do that on my own.
Okay.
I'm working on this. I will be telling you when I'm done. Got the answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
-4.
Is -4. Okay, so let's check your work here. Did you multiply the 2 to both of these terms?
Yeah, huh? Yes, yep.
Did you get 2x minus 6?
Yeah.
Okay, now did you move the 4x or the 2x?
4x.
So you subtracted 4x from both sides. Okay, so you got -2x minus
Yeah.
6 equals 2. Did you add 6 to both sides?
Yes.
Okay, so -2x equals 8. And then you divided both by -2. X equals -4. Good. All right. So here is a problem that is it's making its way around the internet. A lot of confusion about this. I'm not sure why. 60 divided by 2 times 3 plus 7. And you need to simplify this. So what are the order of operations?
Okay,
Do you remember those?
the order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Yeah. Now, what comes first? What does P represent?
P represents parentheses.
Are there parentheses in this problem?
Yeah,
Okay, so what is inside parentheses?
3 and 7.
3 plus 7. So what should you do first?
You should add
Okay, what is 3 plus 7?
10.
Okay.
Should I write it down?
Sure, we're gonna do some more problems like this.
Yeah, I just want to become very successful. Okay, so now,
Now you've got to decide, do you divide or do you multiply?
okay, you have to, hold on a minute, I need to do this.
Okay,
First of all, you need to divide, it's a multiply, 2 times 10.
well, you actually do them left to right, left to right.
But
So you work left to right.
left to right.
Yes, so you're gonna actually divide first. 60 divided by 2.
Okay, and that is 40.
Nope,
Oh,
Okay.
I'm sorry, but that 30.
30. 30 times 10. And what's the final answer?
30 times 10
Yes, what is 30
is,
times 10?
that 30 times 10 is 300.
It's 300, good. Okay, so I'm going to give you one like this to try, okay? Okay. So go ahead and try that, please.
Okay. It's 100.
Yes, the answer is 100. It's 80
Is this like an,
divided by.
is this an equation?
Well, you might see something like this. So you divide first. So you get 20 times 5, which is 100. Okay, so I've got another one here for you to look at. 9 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 1 equals what? So to do this, again, you have to use order of operations. So
Okay.
which operation in the list comes first? Which is the one that's, you've got subtraction, division, and addition. Which one do you do first?
First you should do addition.
No. Which, you're going left to right. Which letter comes first?
Oh, wait a minute. I think it is division.
Division. So we need to divide first. So we're going to come off to the right here. 3 divided by 1/3. If you haven't done this in a while, when you divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal.
Okay.
So do you remember how to multiply fractions?
Yeah. I used to do that.
Okay. So what is 3 divided by 1/3? What is the result? What is 3 times the reciprocal? 3. What does that become?
I'm working on that. 3. Well, I know what that is. It's 9 divided by 1.
It's 9. Yeah, so the answer is 9. So this 3 divided by 1/3 is 9. 9 minus 9 plus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me the result?
Okay, well, hold on. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Yep. And now you have to do 9 minus 9.
Okay,
That's 0. 0 plus 1 is 1.
good. Any questions on how to do a problem like this?
I know how to do that problem.
Okay, we're gonna look at one like it here. All right, so let me make one for you here. 6 minus 4 divided by 1/2 plus 2. Go ahead and try working this out on your own, please.
Mhm. -4 divided by 1/2.
You can actually just treat it as 4 divided by 1/2.
Oh,
and
yeah. I mean, you know what? Maybe I'm sorry for that. Okay. Now for that right there. Let me. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So 4 times 2 is 8. And divided by 1 is 8.
Okay, yeah, keep working it out.
Did I get it correct?
Yeah. No, you're not done. You have to keep going.
No, I said did I get it correct for the division problem?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. 6 minus 8 plus 2. First of all, you have to add 8 plus 2.
You work left to right.
Okay, 6
You
minus
get
8,
this- Yes.
and that's -2.
Okay, so keep going.
-2 plus 2. That is 4, -4.
Both numbers are opposite in sign. If they're opposite in sign, they cancel each other out.
Okay. All right, can I use my calculator?
No, no.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry for that.
I mean, you can't, that won't help you in the long run. So we're going to do it this way. I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, think about it. You you gained 2 things and then you lost 2 things. How many things do you have left?
How many things do you have left? How many things I left? So for that right there, that's
You gained 2 points in a game and then you lost 2 points in a game.
okay. That makes it 0.
Yes. Okay, now I want you to be able to do one of these on your own, completely on your own. So let's try another one here. Okay, so try that one for me.
Okay. Hmm. Three.
Okay, so your final answer is 3.
Yep.
What is 3 divided by 1/3?
It's 9.
Okay, so we have 3 minus 9
Mhm.
plus 3. Okay, so
Yeah,
go from left to right, start with 3 minus 9. 3
that's
minus
-6.
-6 plus 3.
3.
It's not 3. The 6 is negative, so it's further from 0.
If you lost 6 points and you only have 3, you only earned. If you earn 3, that's 3.
Yeah, but if you earn 3, but then you lose 6, you have negative points.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Maybe you're right. Okay, got it down. -3.
Okay,
Let me
so
try another problem on my own.
okay, let's do one more here. Okay, give that one a try, please.
Yeah. Ten.
Okay, so your answer is 10. 2 divided by 1/2 is 4.
Mhm.
9 minus 4 plus 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Plus 5 is 10. Good. Okay. Doing a great job tonight, Sourish. Let's keep it going here.
Yeah.
See if we can do another 10 minutes here and we'll be done. Okay, so what value of P satisfies the given equation? Okay, so you're gonna start by writing this equation down on your paper, please.
Okay, can I go sharpen my pencil for a minute?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's
Okay.
continue.
Okay, so you're solving, but you're using order of operations backwards now when you're solving.
Yeah,
So you undo it first, then multiplication division second.
okay.
So what
Okay.
do you undo first here?
All right. So what, let me just write that down for a minute. So what you need to do is that you should be able to just add 4 and 8. You know what? Add both sides by 8. The minus, subtract.
Minus both sides by 8. Good.
Yeah. Your audio is lagging.
Sorry about that.
It's fine. So yeah, I can't believe I got that.
Yep. Doing real well. So what is the next step to solve the equation?
Okay, hold on. 4p equals 24, and then you have to divide by 4.
Yes. So what does P equal?
That equals 6. P equals 6.
Okay, so I'm going to give you one to try on your own now. Let's go with, let's go 6x plus 18 equals 64. Go ahead and solve that on your own, please.
Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna be writing it down. I'm gonna solve that by myself. Can I solve that by myself?
Yes,
Hello?
I'd like you to solve. Yeah, I'd like you to solve it on your own, please.
Okay. 6 divided by 46, that is, okay, it's gonna be, it's gonna be it's gonna be like a, 6 doesn't go to 46.
Yeah, it doesn't go in perfectly, but you can divide them both by 6. And then is there a number that divides both 46
Yeah,
and
well,
6?
7.
2. 2 goes into both.
Oh, so whenever you can't, whenever it's not divided, and you can use 2.
Yes, you can try other numbers.
Okay,
So it's just the answer is just 23 divided by 3.
that's the answer.
That's the answer.
Is
Let's try
that
one.
gonna show that in the test?
I don't know. Well, we're just practicing. So let's try another one here. Let's try
Okay, the
2p.
23 over 3.
Yeah. Let's try another one here. Go ahead and try this one for me, Sourish.
All right.
How are you doing on this one,
I'm doing
Sourish?
good. I'm trying to think. Six.
Yeah, the answer is 6. You subtract 8 sides. 2p equals 12 and divide both sides by 2. So p equals 6. All right. Now you were asking me, you're like, hey, Matthew, will I get a problem where the answers are fractions? What do you notice about the answers and all in this question? What are they all?
I did not ask that.
You did. Remember we were asking me, hey, will I get something like this?
Oh,
And I said, yeah, you might. So here's a problem where you do get fractions as answers. So just to start out this problem, though, we're not going to worry about the answers. We're just going to solve the equation 2p plus 6 equals 8 plus 7p. So I'm going to rewrite it down here. We'll go back and look at the answer in a moment. Why did that snip all the way over there? Okay. So we've done a problem like this earlier. Remember when we had variables on both sides? We had to move.
wait a minute. For the first problem, for the first problem at the beginning of our lesson today.
Yes.
Ah, okay. I got it. Let me. Let's. I'll try it out to see if I can remember. Let me give it a
Okay.
try.
Take 2 minutes and see if you can figure it out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be able to just try to just see if I can try.
All right, Sourish, how are you doing on this one?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I guess 6, you have to subtract by 6.
Let's move the 7p over first. So minus 7p on the left. Okay, so 2p
Yeah.
minus 7p is minus 5p plus 6 equals 8. And then you're going to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. So minus 5p equals 2. And then you divide both sides by minus 5. So your final answer is p equals negative 2 over 5.
Okay. I'm writing it down.
Yeah, go ahead and get that down.
And then we'll
Probably
be
take
done.
us to the, yeah, probably take us to the end of our lesson for today.
Well, did I do good?
Did okay today.
Yeah. All right. And we'll do some more of this like next time.
Yes, we can do more of this next week.
Okay.
This will help to improve your test scores and get you into college.
I will go to college.
That's the plan. All right, did you get that down, Sourish?
P equals, how did you get P equals negative 2/5?
You divide both sides by minus 5.
And minus 5. Oh,
We can do some more problems like this next time. That way you get the chance to practice on your own.
okay. So negative 5, you have to switch it to negative 2. That's going to be like
You,
that.
you move it up to the top. If the negative's on the bottom, you move it up to the top. That's just the preference.
Okay. All right. Let me just write this down. Okay.
All right, that is it for tonight, Sourish. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.
Yeah. Dad,
Yes.
you want to talk to him or not?
Yeah. Hi. How
Hey,
did you
Dr.
do?
Guthrie. I did great tonight. A good attitude, willing to work through a number of problems. We worked on a bunch of solving equations, standardized prep equations. And we can work on this some more. If he doesn't have stuff to work on in class, we can always work on this.